When you hold on to hurt, resentment or a grudge, you are not going to be able to understand the Almighty's plan for you because your heart has hardened. Bad thoughts and negativity surround you. You become defensive and cold-hearted. You care about little else. Lighten your load. Life's not a sprint but a marathon. Stop being so hard on yourself and embrace your journey. It's preparing you for the hereafter. It won't be paved with roses, be wary of the thorns along the way. Your plans won't always be the way you planned it but the way the Almighty wants it. Don't pay heed to people who talk behind your back. You can't stop them. What everyone else has to say, think, or feel about how you live your life does not and should not affect your happiness or state of mind. It's really about them, not you. Realize this before it's too late. If anyone tries to draw you into an argument, gossip, backbiting and the likes, simply excuse yourself and say, I am fasting. Just as we are concerned about what goes into our mouths, what comes out of it is equally important. Be mindful. Don't shortchange yourself. #Ramadan. Don't put off till tomorrow what you should do today. When you have the one-day attitude, you'll miss out on a lot of goodness and #Ramadan. You refuse to see what the Almighty is dangling in front of you right now. Don't end up the loser by being a procrastinator. No matter what your circumstance, remember, the Almighty always has the final say. He will make good everything that wasn't right and you'll be amazed. So don't let the actions of others get in your way and hinder you. Let them say what they will. He controls your destiny, not them. Some won't understand you. Some won't support you. Some will leave you. Some won't even care if you're down in the dumps. But no matter what others put you through, your Creator will always be there for you. He knows every moment of your struggle. He will compensate you greatly. Jumping to conclusions is one of the most common forms of negative thinking. You usually jump to a negative conclusion without any justifiable facts of the situation. As a result, you become negative, depressed, anxious, sad or angry. Put a stop to it. Change your mindset. Strengthen your faith daily through good deeds. Kindness with your tongue, charity with your wealth, render help where possible. Stay connected to the Almighty. We cannot expect to strengthen our ties with Him and increase our faith if we only worship Him when we feel like it. We're almost a third into the month of #Ramadan. May the Almighty accept our fast and acts of worship. How do you think you're doing so far? Have you developed a routine? Are you struggling to fit in extra prayers and time to reflect? It's not too late.